So you're going to place that right at the front hairline where you measured previously and press down nice and tightly. You have to make sure that the dome is fitting snugly on your head from front all the way to the back. You can see that this does actually fit quite well, and it covers my temples, not my temples, it covers my receding hairline, so it's going to be picture perfect when I place my system on. I have my trimmers, my lethal weapon that's going to shave my head. Alright, so we're going to turn it on, and you're literally going to go around the dome, and you're going to create a line before shaving. And this is basically your guide. Okay, now that everything is ready, I've cut in my lines, and I've also pressed down so hard that I marked the front of my head. But that's perfect because it'll give me even better placement when I put my system on. Okay, here we go, let's get shaving.